Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your default browser on your Android phone. Specifically, if you want to make Google Chrome your default browser, if you have multiple mobile browsers installed. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the settings button. You want to now select the apps button on this page. And then you want to select under General where it says Default Apps. Go ahead and select that. Select the Browser app. Should be the first category underneath Default Apps. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to select Chrome from this list of different browsers. So if you have multiple browsers on here, go ahead and select the Chrome option. And that's all you have to do. Pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.